I'm just stunned by how busy it is.
Yeah.
I really thought on a day like this we might be the only ones here. Kind of nice to see the people here.
Yeah.
Oh God, I don't think we parked close enough. I guess it doesn't matter.
What is it, like a 5-mile walk or something?
We'll find out. I think I can see the river through the trees. There are 2 parking areas and I forgot about that, so we'll have to see. We may end up walking quite a way through here. Oh, it's just down there. There might not even be a parking area down there actually. Yeah, it says no parking. Okay, we did park in the right area. I think when I was with Mum, I took her down here because, you know, I'm not being able to walk very far.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Shoes come undone.
Okay, you okay to tie it, or do we need to go back
No,
to
we
the
can
car?
keep going. I'm not tripping over my laces, so I don't care.
Okay.
It's irritating me.
Yeah, we can go back to the car if you want.
No, it's fine. Let's keep going down here. You want to go to the river, or where's the river?
There should be a path through. We can either walk across. We'll just walk around. This looks like a nice little. There's a little bit of yellow leaves there. I'll just take this stuff. I intended to come earlier when it was about 2 or 3 weeks ago in early December. It was pretty nice.
Yeah.
And for one reason or another, with being busy, there was no time to get out. Actually, there's some yellow leaves over there, so we'll pick those up when we walk around. It looks as though it goes around, so we'll find out in a minute.
This used to be a lake that dried up.
Yeah. They got some. You would have thought with all that rain in September there would still be water in here.
Yeah.
Because it's definitely an artificial lake.
Yeah.
Unless it's got a way to drain, but...
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing? Do you know if there's any parking down there? Any parking down there? Ah, yeah, I thought I might have come to the wrong place. I was thinking that was the end of it.
Yeah, that's down by the river there.
Right, okay, yeah, that's what we were looking for. We might just walk it anyway because it's a nice day.
It's not too far from here.
Was it cold down by the river at all?
Yeah, a little breezier.
Yeah, we decided, I'm from Scotland so I don't feel too much cold, but I decided to just see what it was like without a coat.
Right.
Yeah, okay.
Probably not too bad.
No.
I can't handle the cold, so.
Yeah, for some reason, I'm just immune to the cold.
Right.
It's the heat I can't handle down here.
Okay.
Okay, have a great day. Well, we'll get to see a bit of the place anyway.
Yeah.
You know, when I saw that no parking area, I guess they don't want people parking around that little bend.
Yeah.
You know, it's a bit of a walk, but we get to walk. I'm going to walk in the sun,
So
actually.
many people here.
Damn. Of course, you always get the idiot speeding down. At least he's slowing down. That was a little fast for a park, though.
Yeah.
You know, should really be 15 miles an hour.
Tree up ahead on the left.
I hope for his sake there's no kids on the road.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one looks pretty nice. That must be the road over there to the right.
Yeah.
I saw a car on it going really fast.
Yeah.
This is where you see this area looking more like northern forest than like Florida.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a chain link fence over there, so I guess this is where the road runs parallel.
Ah,
Next to that Catholic church.
yeah, my guess is this must be a side road
Yeah.
because the main road's right back there where we came in. Oh, let's see.
Yeah, there's a chain link fence and everything.
Yeah, I guess that keeps the dogs out or animals or anything.
Yeah.
So I guess the road's right there through the trees.
That's what it sounded like when that truck came through.
Sounds like somebody else is coming, but they're coming a lot slower.
You gotta realize this is a dang park and you show them the speed limit's 10 miles per hour.
Now he's going the right speed.
Yeah. Well, there was a speed limit sign.
Oh, there was?
And it says it's 10 miles per hour, so that first guy who almost took our heads off, he was definitely speeding.
Yeah, I was in a park in Maryland once and I didn't realise there was a 15 mile an hour, and I wasn't going crazy fast. I was probably doing about 25, and all of a sudden this female cop pulled me over.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
And she checked my record and said, "You've never had a single parking ticket." So she said, "I'm going to let you off with a caution."
Yeah. Probably surprised at that.
Yeah,
How
you don't.
bad people used to drive in, Maryland.
Yeah, I have something in on my license that says safe driver. You know, and if you ever do get stopped and the cops, he would see from his computer anyway, but
Yeah.
if you ever do see that and the cop stops you and sees that, he knows that if there's an accident, it's probably the other person's fault.
Oh, you got
Which
that
helps.
special State Farm insurance, or is that just something
I think
else?
it's something Florida does.
Oh, okay.
I think, let me just take this tree up top there. I think,
Because State Farm has this thing, if you go a certain amount of time without an accident, they declare you a safe driver, and you get like a discount or something like that.
yeah, it might be on the insurance actually, you might be right. Because, you know, if it's on your license, it's never going to get changed until you get a new license. So I bet it is
Yeah.
on the insurance. But again, they'd want your insurance, so they would see that. And over here, if you live in the wrong area, where there's a lot of accidents, you pay a lot more.
Yeah, that can mess with your.
Yeah, people in North Jacksonville pay 3 times as much as we do for their car insurance, at
Well,
least,
it doesn't surprise
just
me,
for living in that area.
considering that part of town.
Yeah. Yeah, guys speeding through lights at 3 in the morning when they're on red.
Yeah. Just goes to show you live in certain areas and just everything goes against you.
Yep. Yeah, because that would be
Well, that what
unfortunate.
the teachers used to say when you were a kid, the company you keep, you'll be judged by, or something like that.
Yeah,
I don't know if that's from the Bible, but it sounds it.
it might be. I don't know. It does make a
Just
difference,
remember them
though.
saying that a lot. You know, you're hanging out with you're a good kid. You're hanging out with the bad kids. Stop doing that, or else you're gonna get in trouble.
Yeah, usually boys go off the rails when they're 15 if they're with the wrong crowd.
Ah,
With girls, it's a different age, but with boys, it's always around about 15.
ah. Oh well, that's usually when all the hormones are flowing and that kick the baby bird out the nest kind of thing is kicking.
Yeah.
in. You know, we're the most coddled society in all of history, you know? Back in caveman times, you'd be on your own hunting saber-toothed tigers on the Russian steppes with nothing but a stick. You know, and here you're living with your parents till you're 25, going to college till you're 30.
Yeah.
You know, you're just constantly institutionalized. No wonder people are so messed in the head and they're don't know
Okay,
how to
cool.
work in the world. You know, they get out, they get their first job, and they're completely
Let's
useless.
switch this